To make resume in Canva for freshers, I've put together a template for you to use, and for you to find that template, use the link in the description, and when you land on the link in the description, it will take you here. This is the template we'll be working on. I will click on the template and it opens up and you will see customize this template. Let's click on customize the template. Once the template opens in the editor, the first thing I would like you to do is to rename your template from here. I'm just going to quickly copy this name here and I'm going to select this one and paste it. You want to write your name in this format, starting with your first name, your last name, then resume. This is where you're going to put in your picture. I am going to go down to where I have my picture so I can show you how to do that. Let me open where I have my picture. If you don't know where to bring in yours from, you can click on upload here and bring in your picture by clicking on upload files, and it brings in your image in here. But I already have mine here. I'll go bring that picture and I want to bring in my picture. You just click and hold on the image and drag for it to select that frame. You see my picture is already in there. I will zoom in for you to see what is happening. You can see my picture in here already, and from here you want to start to edit your templates. Knowing that you're still very much new, you don't have much experience, or you've not created anything, you can describe what best describe you. For this person is a content creator. You can say what speaks to your skills better. If you don't need that, you can just delete it by clicking on the whole text, by clicking on it and clicking on delete, and it takes out this text box. Then you can click on this one and drag it up a bit. Now, once you're happy with that, this is where you write a summary of your skills, and from here you can say any experience or projects you've worked on. If it's creating videos, as a content creator, you must have had some experience of owning a TikTok account or something. If you've done project volunteering work, even your youth service can also be a skill you will list from here. So when you list out any skills you have, any projects you've worked on, even as much as taking care of your younger ones at home, babysitting them, all those things are skills, you want to list them out here. And you want to say your education, the university you went to, and the degree you acquired. And from here, you list out your skills. Here, if there are any certification you've achieved during your university days, you can put it in here. This is where you're going to write your email address, your phone number, and your LinkedIn profile. This part is for your LinkedIn profile. So you're writing your LinkedIn profile, your phone number here, and your email address here. Once you're done editing this template, you click on share here and click on download. If you're emailing it, you want to select PDF standard and click on download to download your resume into your device.